Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Twitch network error 2000 on your phone. First, you have to check your internet connection and you have to ensure that your phone is connected to a stable and reliable internet connection. And you can try loading other websites or using other apps to verify your connection also. Or if that does not work, you need to restart your phone just like this and tap on the restart option, and it can often resolve the temporary issues. Turn it off and you have to wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. And after that, you need to clear the cache and data. In order to do that, you have to press the Twitch app and go to the app information and go to the storage and cache. So you need to clear the storage just in the below and tap on the OK. And you have to make sure that the Twitch app is up to date. What you have to do is go to the Play Store and look out for the Twitch. And here we could see there's an option that says update, and you have to see if there's any updates available. If yes, then tap on the update. And this is how you can fix the Twitch network. But if the issues persist after trying all the above steps, you have to reach out to Twitch support for further assistance, and you have to provide them the details about the error. And this is it, and thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.